Microservices are small, independent parts of an application that work together. Spring Boot is a framework that helps developers build microservices more easily. Microservices make applications easier to understand, develop, and maintain. Each microservice can be worked on separately, without affecting the entire application. Microservices can be scaled independently to handle increased demand. Spring Boot provides tools and features to simplify microservice development. Developers can focus on writing unique code for their microservices. Spring Boot microservices enable faster application deployment. Our Spring Boot expert Nico asks that you follow him doing the same on your STS IDE and pause the video. You need to be reading his blog, which we will publish below. You need to have Java OpenJDK 11, Maven, and the Spring Tools Suite, STS4, installed on your computer. If you don't have this, have a look at the link below to that video and do that installation first. Now let's hand it over to Nico. He's got a Dodecanese accent, but don't worry, he speaks the Queen's English flawlessly. Over to you, Nico.
Launch your STS Spring Tools Suite, then you should have a screen like this. If you want to hide the project, we right-click on the project and you say close the project and it'll hide it from the Package Explorer panel. However, I want to delete it, so I'm going to say delete. And I'm also going to delete the project code. This is very dangerous. Be very careful what you do here. You may lose a project. But in my case, I don't want this. We will follow these instructions as published in my blog. I will provide a link to this blog below. We open the File menu and we say New Spring Starter Project. Now I'm going to give this the name Manage To-Do List. Select the type as Maven. You want a Maven project. The version of Java, we want Java 11. Then change this group to be com.springboot.nico. You can use your name if you want. And then to-do list, that must be the artifact name. And I also put the description, to-do list project for Spring Boot. And then the package name, make it this, com.springboot.nico. This can be your name, .to-do list. And when you have everything the same as that, then press next. Now it's important to select this version of Spring Boot, 2.7.13. You can add the devs tools. If you go to developer tools here, you will find the dev tools there. If you click that and you select it, do not select the database and the JPAs at this point in time. We don't have a database connected. The project will fail. So everything under SQL should be unselected. You can open the security drop-down and you can add Spring Security as well. Having done that, then we press Finish. This will now generate a Spring Boot project. And we now have our microservice, and to test this, as per our instruction over here, we right-click on the project. We go and select Run As, and here we look for Spring Boot App, and we click that. And this is what we are expecting to see. And if you have that, you then have successfully created your first microservice.
Thank you for joining us today as we explored the fascinating realm of Spring Boot microservice applications. Congratulations on creating your first Spring Boot application. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos. Your support and engagement are greatly appreciated. For those interested in further supporting our content, we invite you to consider becoming a Patreon. Together, we can continue to explore and share the exciting world of microservices. Thank you all for being a part of this community, and we look forward to hearing about your Spring Boot microservice adventures. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and embrace the endless opportunities that await. You need to watch the next lesson to learn how to configure this microservice to work with MariaDB application and to create RESTful services to work with this database.